Welcome back to the BB show. We will definitely catch up. Just know that it's a new year. I wanted to start off the year with like something exciting, festive, shiny. This has been in the works for weeks now. I think, ooh, sounds. I think you all are gonna love this too because it's really impulsive. And I think impulsive things should be done on camera. I was just scrolling on IG and I saw Complex. They had posted these glittery ones. I was gagging. I read through the caption because I was trying to see who did this and where this could be purchased potentially. But all the caption said was, would y'all cop for $50,000? This is why we're here today, because we're not gonna cop for $50,000. We're actually gonna DIY. Let's just get right into it. What we're gonna need is glitter. I've got some black glitter, some extra fine black glitter, just in case we need to double up. Turbo tacky glue, a 5-piece glitter set with the right color blue. I just picked up some paintbrushes just in case I want to get a little bit more precision. And of course, I decided to do this on my Flyknit ones. I don't know. I really don't know if I should do this. Although I'm attached to my shoes, I'm also really attached to the idea of glitter. We're just gonna go for it. I have my phone for musical inspo, so I might just stop talking and play music at some points of this video. I remember as a child always decking anything out with glitter, even stuff that I wasn't supposed to. Bam, dashing glitter everywhere. I love anything shiny. I love anything blinky. I love glittery. Yeah, I think I've exhausted that point. Now that you understand my heritage and connection to glitter, I think we can move forward. Cut the jibber jabber. Oh no, don't do that. Be careful, glitter is dangerous. Don't get it in your eye. I went to Joanne's fabric and snapped. I couldn't believe that what's been missing in my life this whole time was just a weekly visit to Joanne's fabric. I bought these plastic trays from the dollar store just so I can hold the shoe over it, but as you can see, the shoe is pretty much bigger than that. I just got this box. I'm gonna hold the shoe over the plastic thing over the box, so double protection. I decided to get some caps so that I could pour the glitter in there and then sift it over the area so that it would be more controlled. I'm honestly just winging this, people. Cheers to stay hydrated. I'm just gonna scrub this. It's gonna be difficult to clean these once the glitter is on, I imagine. It's windy today, y'all. What's weather like in y'all neighborhood? It's like windy with a chance of wind here. There's like snow on the ground. Ew. I really want to get into this project. Like, I want to stop cleaning right now. That's pretty white. I mean, it's still not perfect, but it's better than before. I don't half step, just so you know. Excuse me while I go wash my hands and throw this away. Let me make sure I'm recording, because sometimes that doesn't happen. I'm recording, yeah. Should I do the back just in case I hate it? And I'll just have to walk forward. Business in the front, party on the back. Let's crack open our supply. Black glitter first. Oh, wait a minute. Already having fun, but guess what? I love glitter, so it doesn't matter. I love glitter. Ice me out. Well, I'm just gonna simply stab this, but hold it away from me. What the hecky? It should not be this hard. This is defective. Is this worth it? I think this is the sign I asked God for. What? Oh, okay. Whew. Remember how I told you guys I was gonna be smart and poured in a cap first? Pour this one in the silver cap and save the black cap for the blue so I can see. I think it would be smart to start with black first because black will transfer if I put blue first. Let's snap our glue. Scary. This is white! I don't think this is a good idea. So now I can't start on the back because I'm doing black. I'm gonna go right around here and just go for it. I'm no longer talking. Let's test this. It's not even squeezing. I think I waited too long to do this project. My glue is dried out. It's been, oh! Why is this white? This is Elmer's. Don't tell me I have another thing to poke through. Be a fence. I'm gonna go find some scissors because there's no hole. I'm really getting impatient with myself. I feel like I should have been finished. Ooh. I feel like I should have been finished one shoe by now. Okay. This is where this is dumb. I don't think this is great. I think this is silly. No. Stop. Clean it off now. Here's your chance. It's never too late. Oh. Whoa. Commit. This is why I think this was smart, to grab the paintbrush. I just need to like edge it up. I'm so glad I have this on camera and I didn't just do this for no reason. This is really silly right now. Why did I do this? I wish I would have got the washable glue at this point. God, give me another sign. Let me just stop talking. But why is this not clear? That's what's bothering me. I don't love that this is white. I feel like I can clean off any glitter that goes on the rubber part, so I'm not too concerned about that. Messy. I thought I was gonna be so dainty. Now let's just start sprinkling on top of the shoe. Oh, can y'all see? Do y'all hear the sound of glitter? Okay, calm down. This was such a smart idea, by the way, because I'm just gonna like funnel that right back in, and we're gonna go right over the fabric again. I just poured it over the floor. I am gonna run out of glitter. I have a feeling for the glue. Oh my happenstance. It's on and popping. I'm just gonna shake this off. Friends, I'm gonna do most of this off camera because I think this is gonna take a little bit longer than I anticipated. Oh my gosh. Fireworks! Remember how I said I should do black first because I feel like it'll transfer? I hope that the blue doesn't transfer onto the black. All things you realize in hindsight. This is so fun. Right here, should I go up there? Do you think I should do the check mark? Questions that need answers. I will say the brightest idea so far that I've had was purchasing these paintbrushes. So that looks like that. Yeah. Pouring this over this. Sorry you guys can't really see. I'm gonna dream about glitter after this. And that's okay. That's just the inside. Holy moly. No tongue action. That's OD. And because, yeah, it's just OD. So that looks like that. Oh, be careful when you touch your shoe not to touch it on the glitter part because it's still drying. And before you lift it up, remember to pat, pat, pat. Play pat, what up? Oh, hey! I'm losing sunlight. I just had to clean up a little bit because I can't work in messy spaces. I'm finished with the black on the left shoe officially, and we can move on to the moment of truth, which is the blue. We need this part to hold on to for leverage. If this all goes right, I'm gonna wear these every day. I'm gonna start on the toe box. Yeah, I should have taken the laces out. Always like to look at the bright side. Maybe having the laces there is allowing me not to run out of glue, and that was one of my concerns. Moment of truth. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression. You OPN. We should be close. If you OPN. It's a perfect match. It didn't transfer. Black is where it's supposed to be. Blue is where it's supposed to be. It's shining. These brushes are perfect. I'm gonna link these dollar store brushes in the bio comment description. Thank you. Below, they're very controlled. You're my best friend. The inside is gonna look better than the outside because of how clean this is right now. Just take your time throughout the whole process. Boom. So this is where we're at with it. Don't be too hard on yourself, guys. It's like the first time. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a pump. So now we're in different lighting because between shoe 1 and shoe 2, it became night. I can't wait till the final outcome. I realize that I'm gonna not talk as much though, so I can try to speed through this. Wait till this is like all cleaned off. I should have taped the white part. Open up. I've gotten the hang of this here thing now. Open up. One comment. So now I'm on to blue, and this is a moment of truth. If I should have gotten more blue than this little vial, I'm assuming because it's not halfway empty, I should be good. Yeah, I just wanted to check in with that. I know I said that I should have removed the laces, but not necessarily. I'm realizing that created a boundary for me, and if I would have removed the laces, I probably would have done too much and it wouldn't have been wearable. Don't remove your laces for the fly net material, at least. The doors open. Last time I did like the whole panel at once, to check, and this back part, I think I need to do it in parts because it dried differently. So I'm just gonna do the bottom panel first, then I'm gonna do the check, and then I'm gonna do the top panel. And I think that should be good. I am so happy with my outcome. That's not even supposed to be a frame right now. This is not the final product, but the step before the final product. My new custom royal blue Flyknit ones by Bizzle. Bizzle getting better, y'all. All that needs to be done is just some cleanup. I'm gonna get little bees and clip it to the end of my shoelaces. They're charms. I'm gonna scratch this out with a Sharpie. It says 1985, and I'm just gonna scratch that out and put 1991 on the bottom. I'm gonna take the same Sharpie and just like sign them. I've officially customized my first ones. It's only going up from here. It's shining, it's talking, it's over speaking me. I need to stop talking. This little piece right here, I feel like I can put something there too to make it more personalized to me. I'm gonna put a bumblebee, a blinged out bumblebee charm, like diamond, rhinestone, Swarovski, crystal, whatever, little bee. This is like my favorite arts and crafts project I've ever done all year. My shoes just told me that they are proud of me. No, I told you guys. Ooh, I almost fell back. I told you that I had to wait, but I can't. Open up, open. Oh, hello. I hope this video was as exciting for you of an experience as it was for me. How you feel? Bye guys. Glitter.